Put that in.
All right. Today we're going to be making some laundry soap. We make our own laundry soap. It's Zote. You just get a bar of Zote, you grind it up, grind away there. My lovely assistant here will grind the soap. My lovely assistant isn't too. Anyway, we use a bar of Zote, and then we'll use 2 cups of this and 2 cups of this. Borax powder, 20 mule team powder, and then we'll use 2 of the laundry booster there. This stuff here. Once we get all this here ground up, we've got a bucket of water over here that we're heating. Yeah, that's good. Just tear it into pieces like that. And then it will go into the... See? Got that all ground up now. Now we'll go into the water here. I'm going to turn that off. You don't want it boiling, you just want it hot, so it just helps dissolve it here. Stir it until it's a liquid. It's pretty hot at this point. You can kind of see it steaming a little bit. I might cool it off here in a minute, but the heat will help all the different ingredients completely dissolve in there. Now I've got all the Zote dissolved in here. It's in solution. I'm going to add my laundry detergent or laundry booster first. I don't know why. If you add it the other way, it makes a mess. It won't dissolve. From just a really runny liquid with the soap in it, and as soon as you put this other stuff in here, the laundry booster and stuff, it gets it really thick like that. Turns it into a syrup. And that's what you want. You want it to thicken. And then you just stir it and get it all to dissolve in there. I've got some chunks I can feel, so I just mash them against the side. But then I'm going to run my drill in it with the mixer, and that will help mix everything up. But see how thick that is? Okay, get that, and then you get your drill. Pour it into our plastic bucket. Right here, it's pretty warm. Pour that in there. Alright, then you get a bucket of just water. Cold water's fine. And you fill it, top it on up to 5 gallons. And then you mix it. Just throw that anywhere, don't worry about it. Put it up here. Put it right up to it, there you go. Alright, come up to it. Good enough. Get your other one. Come up to it. And that's how you pour it. 5 gallons of this here, I think if you bought it, would be about $35. It costs us about $6 for this. I make soap out of my own lye soap, but it's pretty strong and not good for delicate fabrics. Alright, go ahead and set that over there. You kind of eat your clothes. It will remove the grease, but it also remove a layer of the cotton too.
Go ahead.
Thanks for watching, folks, and just remember,
it's not rocket surgery.